professionals, HCPs, participated in the campaign and lakhs of patients achieved significant awareness regarding melasma as confirmed on July 28, 2023. We congratulate Zydus Healthcare Maharashtra, India for their commendable efforts to set a new benchmark with the India and Asia Book of Records. In addition to this, we also congratulate Dilip Sonaware, General Manager, Zydus Healthcare Limited, Mumbai, Manish Rathod, Deputy General Manager, Zydus Healthcare Limited, Mumbai, and all the HCPs, and Govind Pathak, Assistant Brand Manager, Zydus Healthcare, Mumbai, along with all the HCPs who joined the melasma awareness movement across the country. Special mention about CIMS Media Limited, India Private Limited for their efforts to eventualize the record event. Special thanks to Astha Singh for her wonderful coordination with India and Asia Book of Records. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, yes, okay. Yes, one more. Yes, look here.
And then we should go for the medicine because we all know every medicine is a chemical and it has some side effect. So that is the last resort.
सबसे पहले आज के इस कार्यक्रम के इवेंट्स के बारे में बताइए कि मतलब किस चीज़ के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, क्या कुछ था?
Yeah. So today's event has been organized for the recognition of Zydus for a new landmark milestone achievement in the melasma segment by creating the world record, so Asia records, and we as a Zydus, as an organization, received this recognition in the form of creating the record, Asia Book of Records as well as India Book of Records, reaching out to more than 18,000 healthcare professionals for creating the awareness about melasma amongst the general population. Melasma as a condition is affecting to more than 10% of the Indian population, and there is a dire need to create the awareness amongst the general population through the healthcare professionals, and that's how as a company we taken this initiative to make this happen.
इस इवेंट्स में किसने हिस्सा लिया, कौन है जरा?
So in this entire event, first of all, our internal sales team who are spread across the country, they have been part of it to reach out to the healthcare professionals, and we as an organization reached to more than 18,000 healthcare professionals to make them part of this entire campaign. And with their successful involvement, all these healthcare professionals helped us to reach out to more than 6 lakhs patient population to talk about the awareness on melasma so that the right treatment and the right diagnosis can be given to the patients.
यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को प्रीस्टेट भी किया गया, उनको अवार्ड्स भी दिए गए, तो उसके बारे में?
Yeah. So on this occasion we got felicitated for our in fact our MD Mr. Sadana, Harish Sadana sir, he has been the backbone of taking such kind of initiatives, and he has always encouraged us to take this lead forward. Secondly, our cluster head Mr. Vijay Bhalirao, Senior Vice President, who has always been as a support in terms of investment, in terms of taking this project forward, has helped us. Secondly, my brand manager Mr. Govind Pathak has been instrumental to keep the ball rolling for the entire campaign for the 2 months period. And my marketing head, that is Manish Rathod, has been playing the big role to make this happen. and most importantly, my entire sales team, more than 300 people in the market, and along with their line managers, has been part of this campaign to making this happen.
यहाँ पे सारे लोग हेल्थ से जुड़े हैं, तो उसको लेके क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह से अवेयरनेस के लिए कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे लोग?
So as such, as an organization, Zydus, we are absolutely, our purpose is to have a patient first as a initiative, and I always believe that without having the proper awareness, we will not be able to address the bigger challenge that most of the biggest challenge is most of the population is not getting the treatment for the problems they are facing. So this awareness campaign will definitely help us to create that kind of a patient footfall in the doctor chamber, so that they take the right medication and they solve their problems with the right manner.
मैम ने एक बात कही कि जैसे कि इंसान जब बीमार होता है, कुछ भी होता है, उसका जब दिमाग उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है तो बढ़ भी सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है, उसको उन्होंने क्या करें?
सो वो जो बात हुई थी वो थी साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि होता क्या है कि ये जो मेलाज्मा होता है, इट क्रिएट्स द डार्क स्पॉट्स ऑन द फेस, और उसकी वजह से उसका सोशल स्टिग्मा इतना ज़्यादा होता है, इट इम्पैक्ट द कंप्लीट साइकोलॉजिकल लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ अ पर्सन, एंड उसको हैंडल करने के लिए गिविंग द राइट treatment at the early stage is very important, so that we can avoid all the problems. In fact, there are some people, because of the melasma, has gone to the extreme stage of suicidal kind of a cases also. So these all kind of extreme cases can be avoided if we can create the mass awareness through this kind of initiatives.
Successful events के लिए क्या कुछ करना चाहेंगे अपने स्टाफ के लिए?
So I will, I'm sincerely, I'm very gratitude and thankful for my entire team for successfully making this happen and making all the kind of efforts to reach to this kind of milestone level where we could get this kind of record-breaking campaign.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much, first of all of you, in fact, coming for this event. At Zydus, we are not only selling medicines, but we are selling good health, I would say. Rather, we are in a business where we want to make sure that not only treatment, but how can we ensure that patients don't need a treatment? Can we stop the spread of disease itself? So, Face the World is one such initiative initiated by Zydus Healthcare Limited, wherein we intend to make patients aware that there are diseases such as melasma, which may get unnoticed. However, if you, at the right time, if you take care of it, you don't need a treatment in future, in fact. So among the many patient-centric initiatives which we do at Zydus, melasma awareness campaign in the name of Face the World, in fact, we could connect with 6 lakh patients across India. We were always thought of that, can we do a mass scale campaign where we can really make impact in society, and this campaign has really reached out to 6 lakh patients. This is not the end of it, actually. We are looking for how more, in fact, such kind of initiatives we can take, not only for melasma, but many diseases which are there in dermatology as well. Thank you so much, and I'm sure with the help of the media, we'll spread such awareness to masses as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I'm Harish Sadana. I'm the Managing Director of Zydus Healthcare Limited. So let me tell you a very interesting, or rather, a heartwarming story as to how did we come about launching this project. The story goes like this. There was a 70-year-old male. He came to the doctor with marks on the skin. Obviously, he was suffering. And some of us were surprised as to why at this age he is worried about his image. Why is he thinking that my skin should be looking good and all? So out of curiosity, one of us asked him as to, Dada, why are you here? Aap kyun hain yahan par? And the answer that he gave us was absolutely stunning, right? You know what he told us? Beta, मैं अपने लिए नहीं, मेरी पोती की शादी नहीं होती है, जब लोग मेरे घर आते हैं और देखते हैं कि मुझे ये स्किन डिजीज़ है, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि शायद जीन्स में ये फ्लो करता है, और इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग मेरी पोती के लिए एग्री नहीं करते हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई एम हेयर. So when we heard this story, we said, okay, I think there is a lot of need for increasing the awareness about melasma, and that's how we took this initiative. And I'm very, very proud to say that 18,000 plus doctors joined this campaign with us, and we touched more than 500,000 patients. I am extremely proud of this initiative by Zydus, and I'm sure this will go a long way in making Zydus and making melasma a manageable condition. Thank you very much, and I wish everyone all the best.
तो गुड आफ्टरनून एंड अभी हमारा एक मेलाज्मा अवेयरनेस कैंपेन था जो अप्रैल से लेके मई लाइव था। तो इसमें टोटली 100 से 200% हमारी सेल्स टीम ने दिया है और इसके लिए हम लोगों को सम्मानित किया गया है एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड और इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड की तरफ से। ये ऐसा पहला कैंपेन होगा जिसमें पूरे इंडिया में इतने बड़े पेशेंट्स के लिए अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मोर देन 6 लाख पेशेंट्स के लिए और डॉक्टर्स को हमने ये पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन में एंगेज किया था। और इसका एक ही माध्यम था जिसके थ्रू हम लोगों को एक ही वॉइस द नोट या फिर नीचे डाउन द लाइन मैसेज वी हैड टू पास, दैट वाज कि बी अवेयर अबाउट मेलाज्मा। एंड द कैंपेन विच वी वॉज लाइव, दैट वाज फेस द वर्ल्ड कैंपेन, अंडर विच वी एंगेज्ड more than 18,000 doctors and approximately 6 lakh patients for this particular campaign. So I feel very privileged and with my whole heart I am very much thankful that this campaign could set a record in India Book of Record and Asia Book of Record all together. And lastly, I would like to thank my 350 sales people who are on field and जिन्होंने दिन रात एक कर दिया डॉक्टर्स, पेशेंट्स एंड सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को इसमें ये पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन के लिए एंगेज करने के लिए से। तो थैंक यू टू माई सेल्स टीम एज वेल। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।